Welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today we'll talk about how will be the market on Monday and the week that is coming October 1 to that week. So as I will tell you some of the things which is what happened the last week. What happened the last week is that the market was very moving. It was not that volatile, but the market has moved around 10,800 to 11,600, where the market has take a downtrend that is for continuously 3 days. As I have predicted already that the market can go 10,800 to 10,000 around 650, and market was in the same range. So this week the market can go, because as you know that the market has already consolidated, US market as well as the Indian market. So what we have to understand is that the US market has consolidated around 8 to 10%, which is 7 to 10% around, and while the Bank Nifty has consolidated around 15%. That is a big movement, and which happened on Friday. Friday it has been a good day for all the traders, while all the last 3 days were not that good, but yeah, most of the traders has made it, and some of the traders didn't made it because the market was very volatile and it was in the downtrend consolidating market. As we know that the US market was also very uh, consolidating, and it was like slightly overpriced, so it has come in a way so that uh, market can consolidate. So the range for the last week was 10,800 to 11,600. Okay, it happened in the last 2-3 days that the market has was highly volatile and it was going continuously on the downtrend. But on the last Friday, that means on this Friday, the market has changed, and the market has really moved up, boost up, which which is what it made it a good trend. So now let's talk about how will be the market on this week or this Monday. Mostly first I'll talk about the Monday. As we know that the SGX Nifty was a little down, while both Dow Jones and Nasdaq are on the upper side in the good trend, market trend, good uptrend. SGX Nifty was also in the good trend, but last night the last trading session was not that great. So I feel that the market can open flat or a bit negative, but the market can go up. The market can go up in a sense that in a range of what I predict is 10,850 to 11,000 around 600, and it can allow around 11,550 or 600. The market will be in this range on the next week. As we know that the movement is happening at a very good rate. Okay, so the market can be volatile because in order to cover up what had happened in the last 3 days, the market can move a bit. So you have to trade it according to your risk. So what I feel is the market on this week can be from 10,800 to 11,600. Market can go, and I feel that the market is in the uptrend, as the US market as well as the SGX Nifty was all in the good trend. For the last 3 days they were not, but now they are in the good trend. So some of the things that the some interest rate case has been there, which will be coming on Monday, so that can give a more impact on the Bank Nifty. But it I think on the Tuesday it can be a great impact, but because it will not affect as compared to, because it will be heading on 2 o'clock, so we can see the effect after 2 o'clock, or on Tuesday morning we can see a bit effect. So the time of Monday After 2 p.m. you have to be very careful. The movement can be high, or in the Tuesday morning. So now I've already told you what can be the market on Monday. The market is consolidated, but Friday it was good. Okay, so Monday US market is in upper trend, while HDFC Nifty was not in that good trend. So our market can open a bit positive or negative, but it can go up. Okay, so what I'm saying, the range will be 10,800 to 11,600. That's my range. Okay, if you have any doubt, please comment on the below this video. So if you like my channel, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. And if you want notification of my new videos, please press the bell icon so that you get a notification of my new videos. Thank you.